Hello, she. Good morning, she.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. How are you, she?
Fine.
That's good. Wait, why can't I hear you? Can you louder your voice, she? Are you okay, she?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you are. Well, that is good to know. Can you open your camera or no? Oh,
No.
you can't open your camera, she. You cannot open your camera. Okay, that is fine, she. We'll just start our class directly now. Let me share my screen. And for today, we will talk about emotions. Okay, how we feel. How do you feel now, she? How do you feel? Are you hungry? Are you thirsty? Are you happy? Are you sad?
I a little tired.
Oh, you're a little tired. Why? What did you do?
Mm, I
What did you do
um
before our class, she?
I sleep.
Oh, you sleep now you're tired?
I sleep and in afternoon uh, I go to Vietnamese class.
Okay, I see. That is why. But you are not sick, right? Are you sick?
No.
No, okay. Well, that's good. Did you eat lunch, she?
Yes.
Yes, you did. Okay, good thing. Now let us have exercise one. She look and listen. Okay, can you tell me first, how's the boy feeling? How is he feeling? He is?
He's tired.
He is tired? Is it tired? Is he tired?
Yes.
Yes, he is. Or it could be that he is sleepy too. Okay, now let us have this one. Okay, so you will be Maya and I will be Alex. Can you read it, she?
How was school today?
We had a swimming class. I'm so tired. How are you?
I'm happy because I did well on a math test.
Okay, yes, very good. She well read. Okay, now let us talk about emotions. Okay, how are you?
I'm happy.
Okay, what about you? Are you happy today?
I am a little sleepy.
Okay, so you're still sleepy, I must say. Do you want to drink water, she?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Yes, you can go drink water first. You can drink water, and once you're done, you can tell me so we can continue, okay?
Okay.
Are you done drinking, She?
Yes.
Okay, now let us have the next one. How are you?
I'm sad.
What makes you sad, She? What makes you sad? Like, for example, if you get a low grade or a low score during the test, you will be sad. Okay, but that's just an example. What makes you sad, She?
Uh, in school, I'm sad because I can't make English test and something.
What? She, can you say it again, She? I can't hear you clearly, She. Are you using your headphones?
No, I in grandfather's
House.
house. Yes.
Oh, okay. I see. That is why. Okay, thank you for sharing that, She. Okay, let's just move on to angry. How's he feeling, She? How is he feeling? How is he?
He's angry.
Okay, yes, he is angry. What makes you angry, She? What makes you angry?
Hmm. I
Do you get angry, She? Do you get mad or no?
I I sometimes angry and
Why? And when do you get angry? When do you get angry, She?
my, my younger sister play my toy and no talk me.
Oh, okay. When she will get your toy without asking you. Okay, I understand that, She. But maybe you have very nice toys. That's why she wants to play with it. But yes, of course, we have to ask. But she is still young, She's still young. That's why it's okay. So, when she's older, she will understand and she will ask you before taking your things. Okay, now next one, we have nervous. Do you know nervous,
No,
Do you know it? Nervous.
I don't know in English.
You don't know it. Okay. Now, when we say nervous, it means you are worried about something. Okay, wait, let me translate it for you. Nervous.
Lo lắng,
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So, what makes you feel nervous? What makes you nervous?
điều gì khiến bạn lo lắng?
I sometimes nervous in school because today in class have a small test.
And then why are you nervous?
In my class have a small test and I
Okay, I understand, she, but it's okay. You know, she making mistakes, it's normal. It's normal, she. And in that way, once we committed mistakes, then we learn from them. But of course, we don't have to make next mistakes intentionally. Okay, I know you studied before the test, she, so everything will be okay. So you have to trust yourself and remember if you have mistakes, that is okay. Okay, that is fine, she. No need to feel worry. Now, let us have exercise 3. Find the picture, but I don't want you to find it. I want you to tell me how they're feeling. Okay, how are you?
I'm happy.
Very good. How are you?
I'm angry.
Very good. How are you?
I'm sad.
And how are you?
I'm nervous.
Okay, I'm nervous. Very good. Now let us have more emotions. She, can you tell me how are you feeling?
I'm excited.
Yes, I'm excited. Do you know excited, she?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. Now, when we say excited, it means that you are really happy because something is about to happen. It could be something that you're really looking forward to, like, for example, um, going to Halong Bay. So I'm excited because my family will go to Halong Bay on summer holiday. Okay, excited. You are really happy. Now, what about in here? I think this is how you're feeling now. How are you?
I'm tired.
Okay, now same as you. You are tired. So after our class, you can rest. Okay, now next one. How are you?
I'm bored.
Okay, I'm bored. Do you know what it means when we say bored?
I don't know.
Okay, what is it? She bored.
I don't know in Vietnam.
Oh, you don't know it. Okay, she. So again, when we say bored, it means something is not interesting. It's not fun. Okay,
chán,
okay, that is bored, and that you want to just sleep. Okay, bored. I'm bored. Next one. How are you feeling?
I'm scared.
Okay, yes, very good. She. Okay, what are you scared of?
Oh, I I go to zoo and I see a big lion or tiger. I'm scared.
Okay, I see. Well, each of us, we are afraid of something or someone, and that is normal. Okay, that is scared. Now let us have exercise 5. How are you?
I'm excited.
Okay, I'm excited. How are you?
I'm bored.
Okay, very good. How are you?
I'm tired.
Okay, I'm tired. How are you?
I'm scared.
Okay, very good. I'm scared. Now let us have this one. Okay, how's she or he feeling? She is bored. Okay, let's start with this first. How's he feeling, she?
He's excited.
Okay, he's excited. What about her? How's she feeling?
She's tired.
Okay, very good. She's tired. How's he feeling?
He's happy.
Very good. How's she feeling?
She's nervous.
Okay, she is?
Nervous.
Okay, nervous. How's she feeling, she?
She's scared.
Okay, she's scared. How's he feeling?
He's bored.
Very good. How's he feeling?
He's angry.
Okay, and how is she feeling? She is
Sad.
sad. Okay, she is sad. Now, tell me if it is true or false. Now, Maya is scared. Maya is scared.
Maya
Is it true or false?
no. At 4.
Okay, yes, it is false. How is Maya feeling, she?
Maya is very happy.
Okay, Maya is excited. Now, Alex is bored.
Yes. It's true.
Okay, yes, it is true. Maya is angry.
It's fun.
Okay, yes, it's false. Okay, how is she feeling, she?
She's happy.
Okay, very good. Now, let us have this one. How would you feel about this? I would feel happy. Okay, now would you feel about this, she?
I would feel excited.
Okay, how would you feel about this?
I would feel happy.
Okay, how would you feel about this? Nervous? Scared?
I would feel scared.
Oh, you would feel scared. Okay, you don't like standing in front of the crowd.
Nervous.
Oh, you would feel nervous. Okay, now would you feel about this? Raining.
Really sad. I would feel sad.
What?
I
I would feel?
sad. I would feel sad.
You would feel sad because it's raining?
I don't know because in Vietnam I can't play. I can't play in
In the
street.
rain. Okay, that is why you would feel sad if it'll rain. Okay, okay. Now, next one, how would you feel about this?
I don't.
How would you feel about this? Sleeping, how would you feel about sleeping?
I would feel tired.
What, I would feel
Tired.
tired. After sleeping, you would feel tired. Okay, now what about this one? We have lightning, thunder, and lightning. How would you feel about this?
I understand this picture.
You don't understand?
I understand this picture.
So how would you feel? How would you feel if you are in here, she? How would you feel?
I don't know this picture.
Oh, you don't know this picture. Wait. There's thunder and lightning. How would you feel?
Trời có sấm chớp, bạn sẽ cảm thấy thế nào?
Okay, I would feel scared.
Okay, yes. You would feel scared. That is right, she. Thank you. Now, since we're done with lesson 24, let us have lesson 25. We have here basic actions part 1. Okay, so what are they doing here, she?
They are in the beach.
Okay, yes, they are in the beach. And what are they doing there, she?
Uh, they they talk something.
They are
They talk something.
okay, we have here a bucket. And I think they will be making a sand castle, right?
Oh,
Okay, yes. Now, she let us have this one. I will be Alex and you will be Maya. I'm tired of walking.
me too. How about we sit down for a
While.
while?
Sounds good. Can we make a sand castle?
Definitely.
Okay, can you say definitely?
Definitely.
Okay, what about you? She have you tried making a sand castle?
Don't know.
Do you know sand castle? She
No.
have you tried making a sand castle?
Oh,
Yes or no?
I I like I like Sandcastle.
It's beautiful, right?
Yes.
Okay,
I
so now let us have this one. What are you doing?
am I am walking.
Very good. What about you, She? What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
I study with you.
Okay, yes, I am learning English. You can say that. Now, what are you doing?
I am running.
Very good. Next one, what are you doing?
I am standing.
Very good. What are you doing?
I am sitting.
Great job. What are you doing?
I am playing with toys.
Very good. Okay, now let us have this one. She. What are you doing?
I am running.
Very good. What are you doing?
I am standing.
What are you doing?
I am
What are you doing?
I am playing with toy.
Very good. That is correct, She. Now, let us have this one. What are you making?
I am making a sandwich.
Okay, very good. What about you? Do you know how to cook?
A little.
Oh, a little. What can you cook?
I cook rice.
What else? Rice? Egg?
Noodle
Oh, noodles. Egg?
and egg.
Oh, okay. That's good already. You can cook something at your age. Now, I believe that would be all it for our class today, so you can relax now. Thank you so much, Goodbye,
Bye, teacher.